Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming required permissions and the right tools: Google Earth Pro on desktop or the Street View app on mobile, plus a 360 camera or photo sphere-capable phone. Once done, calibrate GPS and compass so location data is accurate. This matters for correct placement. Launch the capture tool and choose the Street View or photo sphere mode to start. Make sure you record overlapping frames and keep the camera level so stitching and geotagging work smoothly as you proceed. Now you upload and align images. If using the Street View app, select your sphere images and choose Publish. If using Earth Pro, import files and ensure embedded GPS tags are preserved. You want to align each panorama to the road or path. Move the placement pin, rotate orientation so the view faces the street, and confirm timestamps match your capture sequence. Do this carefully because correct alignment determines how users transition between views. Once uploaded, preview the tour to verify smooth navigation. Finish by publishing and verifying your Street View in Google Earth. Choose the appropriate visibility setting and confirm any prompts about public content. After publishing, open Google Earth and the Street View layer to inspect placement and navigation. Walk through the sequence to ensure smooth transitions. If something looks offset or disconnected, re-edit placement or orientation in the app, or re-export and upload corrected images. As a fallback, edit the KML/KMZ coordinates in Earth Pro to fine-tune GPS alignment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.